class 10 and today we are going to start exercise 7.1 question number 7. Yesterday I had explained the concept and then the solutions of question number 1 to question number 6. Now see question number 7 on the board. Find the point on the x-axis which is equidistant from 2, minus 5 and minus 2, 9. Means 2 points are here. 2 points. One point is 2, minus 5. Second point is minus 2, 9. And these both the points are at equidistance, means equal distance from a point which is on the x-axis. ये वाला जो point है, it is on the x-axis. It means it is having the value of x, but its value of y is 0. Means coordinates of this point will be x, 0. So just give the name A, B, C. According to the question, AB is equals to AC. It is already given in the question, so we can apply the distance formula on AB line and we can also apply the distance formula on AC line as I had explained you yesterday. Okay, so give it the name x1, y1, it will be x2, y2. So just apply the formula for AB. x2 minus x1 means x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 5 whole square. I have told you if any value is negative then you have to substitute it in bracket. Now find out AC. x2 y2 we are having, just give it the name x1 y1. So x minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square. Okay, so first of all we have to remove this square root and we have to solve also inside the brackets. Okay, so two things we will do on squaring both sides. On squaring both sides, when I will say squaring on both sides, it means square root will be removed. Okay, now square root is removed. Now see inside the bracket, it is x minus 2 whole square plus minus plus means 5 square equal here minus plus x plus 2 whole square plus it is minus 9 square. So now we have to expand this identity. So it is a square plus b square minus 2ab means minus 4x plus 25 equal a square plus b square plus 2ab means 4x plus 81. Now see, x square is cancelled by x square, 4 is cancelled by 4. Okay, so transpose x thing to x thing and number to number. It will become minus 8x. 81 minus 25, it will be 56. So the value of x will be 56 upon minus 8 means x equals to minus 7. So hence needed coordinates, they are x, 0 means minus 7, 0, which is our needed answer. Okay, so note it. Okay student, now see on the board question number 8. In question number 8, what it is saying? It is saying find the value of y for which the distance between the points. 2 points are given to us P and Q and distance between them is 10 units and we have to find out the value of y. So first of all we will make one rough diagram. Suppose this is point P, this is point Q and the coordinates of P are 2, minus 3 and the coordinates of Q are 10, y. Okay, distance between PQ is 10 units. So we can apply the distance formula here. So what was the distance formula? Distance formula was x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance is how much here? 10 equal x2 minus x1, it is x1, y1, give it the name x2, y2. Okay, so 10 minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square. Okay. So 10 will be equals to square root 10 minus 2 8 square plus minus plus y plus 3 whole square. Now we have to find out the value of y, so we have to remove this square root, and it can be removed by squaring on both sides. On squaring both sides, what we will get? 10 square means 100, and in this part square will be removed. 8 square plus y plus 3 whole square. Okay. So now we have to solve it. 100 equals to 8 square 64 plus it is a plus b whole square, means a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is now taking the shape of a quadratic equation, so transpose 100 to right hand side. 0 equals to y square plus 6y plus 64 plus 9 minus 100. Okay. So 0 will be equals to y square plus 6y 64 plus 9 means 73, and 100 minus 73 how much? It is 27 of minus. It means or y square plus 6y minus 27 equals to 0. Okay. Now we have to solve it. We can solve it by the help of midterm split method. Y minus 27 equals 0. 9 3s are 27 and 9 minus 3 6. So y square plus 9y minus 3y minus 27 equals 0. Take common y from here. Y plus 9 from here minus 3 will be common. So what will left? Y plus 9 equal 0, means y plus 9 y minus 3 equal 0. It means y plus 9 equals to 0 comma y minus 3 equals to 0. So we are having two values of y. Therefore y can be minus 9 comma 3. It is negative, so it will go in positive. Okay. So this is our needed answer. Okay. Note it. Okay, students, now read question number 9. Question number 9 is just like question number 7. Okay. So you have to solve it by yourself. Now see question number 10. Find a relation between x and y such that the point x comma y is equidistant from the point 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. Means one point is given to us. Its coordinate are x comma y, and this point is equidistant from 2 points, means at equal distance from the points 3 comma 6 and minus 3 comma 4. So what we have to do? We have to find out a relation. It means we have to form an equation in terms of x and y. Okay. So we can apply the distance formula. Just give the name to the points A, B, C according to the position. AB is equals to AC. So just apply the distance formula as we had done in question number 8 and 9, and we are doing in this exercise. It is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 means x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square. In the same way here, it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. x2 minus x1 means x minus 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 means y minus 4 whole square. First of all, we have to remove this square root and solve the sign, means we will do the squaring. So square root will be removed, and with that we will just solve this sign also within the bracket. Okay. On squaring above on both sides. So what will left? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 6 whole square equal x minus minus plus x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square. So we have to now expand them. Expand it. A square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab equal a square plus b square plus 2ab, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now cancel the same things. X square is cancelled by x square, y square is cancelled by y square, 9 is cancelled by 9. Anything else? No. Just copy it. Minus 6x plus 36 minus 12y equal 6x plus 16 minus 8y. Since we have to form an equation, so transpose everything to the same side. Transpose everything from right hand side to left hand side, okay? Minus 6x is already here. This will also come in minus. Then this minus 12y. This y will come in plus. Now what is left? Number. Plus 36 and it will come in minus, okay? So just solve it. It will become minus 12x minus 12 plus 8 minus 4y plus 36 minus 16, 20 equals to 0, okay? Anything is coming common here? Yes, we can take 4. We can actually take minus 4, okay? Just take the common minus 4. Means all the terms will be divided by 4, and since we had taken the minus sign, so the sign of the terms will be changed. 4 3s are 12x, it will become positive. This will also become positive. Only y is left. It will become negative. 4 5s are 20 equals 0. Send minus 4 to right hand side. 3x plus y minus 5 equal 0 upon minus 4, or we can say 3x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0, which is our needed relation, or we can say equation, okay? So students, we had done exercise 7.1. So your homework is this, that you have to complete exercise 7.1 in your fair copies, okay? In your fair copies, and in our next video we will discuss the concept and some questions of exercise 7.2, okay? So complete your work in a very proper way. Thank you very much. And if anyone is having any kind of doubt, he can call me on my number, okay? Everyone is having my number. Thank you very much.